Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 14, factorization. Exercise 14.2, question number 1. Question number 1 has factorized the following expressions. So in previous video, we factorized the part 1, 2, 3 of question number 1, and today we are going to discuss fourth part of question number 1. Fourth part है 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Okay. So here you can see 49y square. 49 is what? What do you mean 45? 49. 49 is the square of 7. You can write it 7 into 7. This is a square of 7. Clear? Now again y, you know very well, a to the power m into b to the power m. This is equal to, you can write a into b whole power m is equal to a into b power m. So here you can write it 49 m square. Okay, so 49 y square. This means that this is the square of 7 and y squares. So here you can see the both the base is different but power is same. According to this law of exponent, we can write it 7y m square. Okay, so it's become 7y whole square. Okay, whole square 7y. Clear now? Plus. After this, plus. Now 36. What do you mean by 36z? 36 is what? 36 is, you can write 36 is square of 6. 36 is the square of 6. 36 means you can write it 6 into 6. This is the square of 6. Clear? So we have 36 z square. So it means that it's become 6 square into z square. You can write 6z square. Clear? So in this place of 36, we write here as square of 6z. Here now, this is terms, middle terms. Second terms is what? 84yz. 84yz, you can write it 2 into 7y into 6z. Okay, this is not 2, this is a z. Clear? So I hope all of you understood this part of this question. Okay. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is form of whole square of ab. Whole square of a plus b. You can write it a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? So then this becomes a square, this becomes b square, this is a, this is b, this is 2. So you can write it, this is a whole square of 7y plus 6z. Whole square of 7y plus 6z, a square plus b square plus 2 into a plus a into b. So also you can write it, okay, whole square of 7y plus whole square of 6z plus 2 into 7y into 6z. Okay, it becomes 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Okay, so here you use the first identity. So you can also write it 7y plus 6z into 7y plus 6z. This is clear. So you can see here we find the factorization of given expression of 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. This is a square equal to, we find here 7y plus 6z into 7y plus 6z. This is a factor of 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. Also you can find, here we find its factor by using the identities. We can also find the factor of the given expressions by without using identity. For this we can break the middle terms, this is middle terms, into equal parts. So let's see how can we find without using identities, okay, or you can say and the break the middle term into equal part. Okay, so let's see. So if we divide 84 by 2, then you obtain 42. If you divide 84 by 2, then you obtain 42. You can write here, this is equal to, you can write here 49y square plus. If you divide 84, so then you obtain 42. So you can write here 42yz plus 42yz plus. This is 36z square. 36z square. This is clear. Now after this we grouping it. We take first two terms in first group, second two terms in second group. So you use here bracket to group it. Okay, so you can write here 49y square plus 42y in first group, clear, and plus 42 yz 42yz plus 36z square in second group. This is clear. Now after this you can see in first bracket, first group have 49y square plus 42yz. So 49y square, you can write 49y square. You can express 49y square in the product of irreducible factors. Product of, you can write, we can express 49y square as the product of irreducible factors. So it's become 7. 49 is 7 into 7. Y square means y into y. Now the second terms in the first group is 42yz. So you can write here 42yz. Again we express 42yz as the product of irreducible factors. So 42 means 6 into 7. This is equal to 42 into yz means y into z. So what is common between them? So obviously you can say 7 is common here and y is common here. Okay, if you take 7y common, then you have in first terms of first group is 7y and second terms of first group is 6z. This is clear. So now we take common here. What we take common here? We can take common here 7y in first group. So 7y in first group. So here we have 7y plus. If we take common 7y in 42yz, then we have here 6z plus. Okay. In second bracket, in second groups, we have two terms 42yz plus 36z square. So first you write 42yz and 36z square is the product of irreducible factors. After this we can see here what is the common between them. Okay. So 42yz. You can write it 6 into 7 into y into z. Clear? And 36z square. 36z square. Also you can write it 6 into 6 into z into z. 36 is 6 into 6 and z square is z into z. So what you see here? What have you seen here? What is the common between them? So you can see common here 6 and z. two terms here common, 6 and z. If you take common 6z in first terms of group second, then you have 7y, and again you take common 6z in second terms of group second, then you have 6z. Okay, so let's see common of second group. So here we take common in second group is 6z. When you take common 6z in second group, then here we have 7y, and here if we take common 6z, then here we have again 6z. Okay. So what you observe here? You can see in both terms. This is first terms, this is second terms. So what is the common between them? So in both terms you can see we will have common 7y plus 6z, 7y plus 6z. So you can take common it. So when we take common 7y plus 6z, we take common here 7y plus 6z in both terms. So we take common here. So here we have, if after taking common 7y plus 6z, in first terms we have 7y, in second terms we have 6z. So also you can see, again we find the factorization of 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square is y, 7y plus 6z into 7y plus 6z. You find this factorization without using any identities. Okay, so you can write here the factorization of 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square is equal to y. This is equal to 7y plus 6z into 7y plus 6z. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood this part. This is the fourth part of question number 1. Now we are going to discuss next fifth part of question number 1. What have been fifth parts? Fifth part have of question number 1 is 4x square minus 8x plus 4. So let's see how to factorize the fifth part, 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Okay, so we put it, first we erase this part. That fifth part is given here of question number 1, 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Okay, so first we find the factors of given expression by using the identity. After this also we find the factor of this expression without any identities. Okay, so 4x square. Okay, so you know very well 4 is equal to what? 4 is equal to square of 2. So 4x is equal to, you can write it square of 2 into x square. Clear? Also you can write it square of 2x, because you know very well this identity, a to the power m into b to the power m. In this identity, if the bases are different but power is same, then you can write a into b to the power m, or simply you can say ab power m. Clear? So 4x square is equal to, you can write it square of 2 into square of 2. It's become square of 2x. Clear? And 4. What do you write 4? 4 you write square of 2. Clear? And 8x. What do you mean by 8x? 8x is equal to 2 into 4x. 8x is equal to, you can write 8x. 8x is 2 into 2x into 2. Okay. So I hope all have understood these factors. And now, so we can write the given expression like this. It becomes square of 2x minus this 4. This 4 becomes again square of 2, and now 8x becomes what? We can write 8x 2 into 2x into 2. Clear? So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you know second identity. What is the second identity? Second identity is that whole square of a minus b is equal to what? Whole square of a minus b is equal to, you can write it a square minus 2ab plus b square. So also you can see this form is like this, a square plus b square minus 2ab. It's become a, it's become b, again a, again b. A square, b square, 2ab. Clear? So you can write it 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 2 plus square of 2. This is a form of, this is expression of 2x minus 2. Whole square of 2x minus 2. Clear? Also you can write, because here for 2, so you can write 2 times. Okay? Square of a means a into a. So here is square of 2x minus 2. So we can write here 2x minus 2 one times, again 2x minus 2 again times. So here you can see we find the square of 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Okay, here you find the square of the given expression 4x square minus 8x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 2 into 2x minus 2 by using what? We use here the second identity. After this, we are going to find the factor of the given square without using any identities. So in this way, we break the given middle terms into equal parts. Okay? So let's see how to find the factors of the given expression without use any identities. So for this, we will break this in middle terms into 2 equal parts. If you divide 8 by 2, then you obtain 4. So this is a 4x square, we write as it is. 8x, you can write it 4x minus 4x, and plus 4 we write again as it is. So first we grouping it. For grouping we use bracket. Okay, so this is the first group. So you can write here 4x square minus 4x. Clear? After this is the first group and this is the second group. Here we take minus common, so it will become 4x minus 4. Clear? So what you see here? You can see here in first group 4x square minus 4x minus 4x minus 4. So what is common between them? See what is common between first group. So also you can write 4x is equal to 1. 4x square is equal to, you can write it 4 into x into x. And the 4x is equal to 4 into x. So what is common between them? You can see common between them is 4 into x. 4 into x means 4x. Okay. So in first group 4x is common. Okay. So you can take here common on 4x. It will become here x minus 1 minus. Okay. And what is common here? In second group. So also you can say in second groups have 4 common. If you take common 4 in second group, you can write here 4 into x minus 1. Now here you observe what is the common between them? X minus 1 minus 4 x minus 1. So you can observe here x minus 1 is common between them. So you can take common x. Okay. So 4, you can come x minus 1 here in both terms. This is first term, this is second term. So you can observe here x minus 1 is common between them. So you can write here x minus 1 into, here we have 4x. You can write it 4x minus, this is a 4. So this way you can see, you find the separation of the given algebraic expression 4x square minus 8x plus 4. Also you can say in this terms what is in common? We have common 4. So also you can take common 4. So it becomes x minus 1 into x minus 1. This is a square of factors of 4x square minus 8x plus 4. So then I hope all of you understood, okay, these parts. Now we are going to discuss sixth part of question number 1. What have been sixth part of question number 1? Question number 1 have sixth part of question number 1 have square of L plus M minus 4 LM. Now so let's see how to find factors of the part 7, sorry, part 6. Part 6 is given here 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square. So let's see. So first we erase this. After this we factors. We find the question of the sixth part of question number 1. In this sixth part, this is given that of this question number 1. This sixth part 121 b square 121 b square minus 88 bc minus 88 bc plus 16 c square, okay, plus 16 c square is given here. We can write it 16 c. This is clear. So we can write 121 is what? You know very well 121 is equal to 11 into 11. You can write it square of 11. Okay. So you have 121 b square. We can write it 11 square because 121 is square of 11 into, you can write it b square. Also you can write it 11b whole square of 11b. Clear? Because you know very well if a to the power n into b to the power n, this is the identity. This is law of exponents. If the base are different but power is same, then you can write it a into b power m, a into b power m, or this is equal to, you can write a b to the power m. So according to this law of exponent, we can write this. Clear? Now again here also given 16 c square. Okay, so 16 c square is what? 16 is equal to 4 into 4. You can write it square of 4. 16 means 4 into 4. You can write it square of 4. So 16 c square means square of 4 into square of c. You can write according to this identity. You can write it 4 whole square of 4c. Clear? Now, so let's see how can we find the expression of the given identity. So you can write it whole square of 11b. Also we can write it whole square of 11b. Also we can write it, this is the whole square of 4c. This is equal to whole square of 4c. So here you can write 88 bc. This is equal to 2 into 11b into 4c. 2 into 11 22. 22 into 4 88 into bc. Okay, this is equal to this 2 into 11b into 4c is equal to 88 bc. 11b whole square of 11b is equal to 121 b square. Whole square 4c is equal to 16 c square. Okay. So you can, if you can see it, then you have remembered like this. A square, you can remember like this. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is equal to what? This is equal to, you can write whole square of a minus b. Whole square of a minus b. Also you can write a minus b into A minus B. Clear? A minus B into A minus B. So according to this, according to the second identity, we can also write it. This becomes 11 whole square of 11B minus 4C. 11B minus 4C. This is a whole square of 11B minus 4C. Also you can write this is square. So square of 2. Square of 2 you can write 2 into 2. Or square of 5. Also you can write 5 into 5 2 times. Here square of 11B minus 4C. So you can also write it 11B minus 4C into 11B minus 4C. This is clear? So you can see here we find the factors are 121B square minus 88BC plus 16C square. So we can write it 121B square minus 88BC plus 16C square. The factor of this expression is 11B minus 4C into 11B minus 4C. This is clear? Now, so these factors we find with the help of second identity. Okay. Now we are going to find again the factor of the given algebraic expression without help, take help of any identities. Okay. You can split these terms. You can write the middle terms into equal part. After this, you find the factor of this expression. So let's see how to find without help any identities. How to find factors of the given expression without help any identities. So for this, we write simply. We write 121 B square as it is, and 88. If we divide 88 by 2, then we obtain what? We obtain 44. 44 BC minus, again we write it 2 times, because 44 into 44 plus 44, it becomes 88. So again we write it 44 BC plus 16 C square. This is clear now. So we write, we take in two groups. This is the first two terms is first groups, and again we write the second two terms is also second groups. Clear? So it becomes 121 B square minus 44 BC. This becomes first groups. Okay, now also we can write, we take common here minus in both terms, then it becomes 44 BC minus 16 C square. This is second groups. Okay, when you open the brackets, then it becomes minus, again it becomes plus. Okay, so don't be confused here. So what have in common in the first groups? So 121 B square. 121 B square, you can write it. Sorry, again here we write 121 B square. You can write it 11 into 11. B square is B into B. And this is 44 BC. 44 BC, you can write the product of irreducible factors. This is equal to 4 into 11 into B into C. 44 is 4 into 11 and B into C. So what is the common between them? You can see here 11B is common. 11B is common. If you take common 11B here, so here we have 11B again, and in 44 BC if you take common 11B, we have 4C. So you can take common 11B in both terms. So we have here 11B again minus here only we have 4C. Clear? Now, so similarly we can take common in second groups again. What is the common between them? We have common here 4C. If you common 4C, then we have here 11B and here minus 4C. Clear? So here you observe that in both group terms, this is first term, this is second term. What is common? The common point between them is 11B minus 4C. So we take common 11b minus 4c. So here 11b minus 4c we take common. So here we have 11b again, and here we have minus 4c. So here you can see that we find the factorization of 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square without using any identities. Okay, so you can write here the factor of 121 b square minus 88 bc plus 16 c square. This is equal to 11 bc minus, this is equal to 11b minus 4c into 11b minus 4c. Okay, so student, I hope all of you understood these factors, this part of question number 1. So enough for today. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.